Hey, Dave, not here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm going to record a quick video for my own information. I haven't figured. You guys know any tools to capture your screen? Um, my operating system, my trading computer, is a Windows 7, and Jing, Snagit, all that stuff from TechSmith doesn't work for me anymore. So I'm going to actually mark up this with my screencast tool that I've been grandfathered in for many years. So what I want to do is just kind of, this is called HD from Apex Investing. It stands for, this is for my own information to put up, but obviously I'm sharing it with you as well. So what it is a divergence. So hidden divergence. So it's a divergent, well, continuation of a trend, right? And kind of see it there as well. But you see you have a point, a point down here, and then a point here. So the trade that I took was right here. And I took this coming down. And the way that I'm trading right now, if I can get 4 bars of profit right now, the NQ, you can see that I've got it listed at 14 ticks on 2 trades. So that will bring in, stop is 21. 21 times 5 is 105 times 2, 210. 210 loss against 14 times 5, 70 times 2, 140. So 140 profit and a 210 stop. I thought it would actually push down underneath here and go down lower, according to the way that I was looking at it, like it would bust through this low and get, that's my own information that I know as a trader, that how I go after a trade, but obviously it stopped here and then went up. Anyway, so it definitely made profit the way I'm looking at it. I adjusted their profit targets to something I believe it can hit. So 14 ticks. I'd forget what their numbers are. You'd have to take their course. To Apex Investing is the course. Just tell them I sent you. You can get 30 days free to go through their stuff. Yeah, these are very busy charts, so you got to really take your time. But the training inside the boot camp, so I'm in this boot camp right now. I'm in this boot camp right now, and I'm learning their trade signals. So they're right now. I think I've learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, ETF is the last one I learned. That almost can consider an ETF. Yeah, I guess that could be an ETF at some things right there. So ETF trade with the hidden divergence right there, and then a down move. You have DTX, I believe they call it. There's another one here, and then hidden divergence is the third one you learn. And they have ODD, which is an oscillator. That's a trend reversal, so that would be like something getting really busy right now. So you have the trend reversal, right? You have your trade coming down, then you have a number that shoots it back up, right? So that's ODD to take a trend, and then HD is the continuation of that trend. Now there was another one up here that they want you to take the second one, but I'm okay with going after the first one personally. They want this number's got to be higher than 125%. It's obviously, you can see it's at 524%, so it screamed at me that this was a decent HD setup, as they call it, hidden divergence. So there's
potential TX on MQ.
There's your DR indicator, they call it.
Trapped orders with exhaustion box on MQ.
It doesn't have to show. Doesn't have to be like some of these trades need to line up. Like if you're going short, this needs to be red. This needs to be red to come on down to your shorts. But the hidden divergence, you don't have to worry with this here. So green is okay, because obviously it's going to go green when it goes back up this way. So I think yeah, there should be something here coming up. Like this one here is actually what they would consider hidden divergence with the orange signals coming up. So, but the 28% was not, didn't qualify. It needs to be 125%, and there's no a red box above that. There's a red box here, but that went into a level. I guess you could take a little bit of profit. It kind of bounced off of that right there as well. I personally like this setup here. I thought this was a nice setup. It's not textbook as far as Apex investing goes, but it definitely, to me, it was like, all right, that looks like a good setup. So you had other ones in front of it, right? See, it was coming down. So I was good with it because it was coming down off the, it was making a pattern of lower lows, and I thought it would come down. Here's where it stopped making lower lows, right here at this 389 right here, and this was a good setup to go long, pretty much. Right here is 4 bars going up that you could have taken profit going the other way, coming in there, but there was no signal here coming off the level. There was an X box here and didn't get you profit, and it's I think we're at current, I don't know, let's see where we're at current. Yeah, here's current market right now. So there's the 524 over here that I traded. Here's a 401. That just must have happened just a few minutes ago. So here's your 401. So this is a nice little setup right there. That's a beautiful setup. You're moving into a level. So maybe don't take it. 1, 2, 3. You're moving into a level. I would have taken it though. I like that kind of trade setup. Continuation of a trend coming down. I believe I actually caught that one too. So I think I caught both of these today. You can see the counts in sim. I've already made my money on in the here, I'll just pull this over. You know, I like to show you guys occasionally what's going on. I've opened. Whoops. Can I not pull that over? Oh, I still got red drawings on it. Never mind. So I've been playing. Here's the sim I'm playing around in. I got 5 different accounts right now. Actually, I got rid of 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30 is not shown right now. So I'm working with 5 different 50Ks because you've got the 80% discount right now. At Apex, they're doing a sale right now. 80% off.
Potential SLZ on MQ.
And then you hear that bullshit going on all the time too.
SLZ on MQ.
SLVs. I haven't learned that one, but that's another setup. 80% off and then 80% on recurring. So $167, 50%, which I wouldn't pay. It's always at 50%, by the way, pretty much. So you don't ever want to pay the 100%. But right now, that with taxes, Texas tax from me,
potential TBS on
each 36.16 right now per evaluation account EA. So that's worth it to me to practice. And I've been moving around in sim and real account. I actually screwed up one of these. I think it was yeah, this one here. I believe I hit my I hit my stop loss on 20. And also I hit stop loss on both of these actually. So this is when I started thinking about what I want to do next, because my tiger chart that I use is not working. I'm finding myself in the hole more times than not. This old dog needs to learn a new trick. So it's the same basic setups. It's just getting your I's dotted and the T's crossed and so forth and so on. I mean, you see, like right up here is a nice little setup here against a level, maybe perhaps. There's an X box right there, an X I haven't
Potential
learned
TX
about.
on ES.
Anyway, so that's beyond what I really wanted to record today. So once again, the last thing I want to talk about here before I get sidetracked. All right, so hidden divergence. There are two different setups.
Potential TX on MQ.
This one looks like it went according to plan with what you see. That one came on down. So there are two different setups that you could have went short on. And if you look to the left here, the market was coming down, and doing something like that. And then you had your two sell signals coming on. You're continuing the trend, right? The trend's going down at that point, and you're making a continuation trade. So you look at it, divergence, and you're looking convergence. They use the words a little bit, but I'm using their terminology. It's called HD. So hidden divergence, and they're using this volume figure. It's a figure on how much volume is coming up compared to the last volume. So this last print right here, which obviously you only had 443 this time. Next time you had 1776. It's 401% of the 443 number. It doesn't go back to this one. It goes back to the last printed number. And since you're looking for, in this case, a short signal, you're not looking at the bottom numbers. You're looking at the top numbers that are printing on the charts to find a signal here. So anyway, once again, this one was a good short and this one's a good short. I wanted to print this. So this is called hidden divergence. It's an apex investing concept that they use on their charts. It's something I'm learning, and I wanted to put a video out here for me, and hopefully for you as well if you want to learn as well with me. That's it. Dave Knight here at 123 Day Trade. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.